think you are ready to unlock the alternating dragon roll or the dragon switch, also known as the dragon hop. In order to unlock the dragon switch, I'll just call it dragon switch in this video, you will need to have first gotten used to moving your dragon roll from the right to the left, like this. But you also need to have been able to practice going the other way from the left to the right. And this will be important because once you switch directions, you're actually going to switch from going from right to left to right. So there are two main ways to do the dragon switch. The first one I'm going to teach you is without the hop, just with a pivot, all right? And you can either pivot on the backswing or on the front swing. And they will be slightly different depending on how you do it. So let's first take a look at the backswing. With the pivot on the backswing, you will put your weight on your right leg. So your right leg is going to be your pivot leg. And you will step forward with your left foot. All right? So step forward with your left foot. And if you come back, you're coming back with the left foot again. So that's the pivot on the backswing. On the front swing, it's the opposite. So on the front swing, you're putting your weight on your left foot. And what you're doing is you're stepping forward with your right foot. Right? So forward, like this. I'm just a bit cognizant of my limited space here, so I'm not doing a full proper turn. I'm going to show you this from the side because it helps you better understand how your beat will change. So imagine there's a line over here, all right? What's going to happen is I'm going 1, 1, 1, 1. One beat on the front, one beat on the back. And when I do the turn, right now I'm going to turn on the back, I'm going to, again, weight on my right foot, step forward with my left foot. So I do it on the back and I turn. Do you notice I'm actually doing 2 beats on this side? So you can see 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. I'm back to the regular 1 beat. But during that turn, it goes from 1, 2. Right? So there's 2 beats on this side, and it's changing from back to front in the sense that it's on your back, now it's on my front, but it's twice on this side, all right? So if you do it the other direction, on the front, same thing. So notice, again, 2 beats on this side. So 1, 2, and then 1, 1, 1 again. And if you look at me right now, I'm going from my right to my left, swinging. And then when I turn, now I'm going from my left to my right. So this is my left hand, left to right, right? So the orientation of the rope, or kind of it still follows the cardinal law, like the rope is still going overhand this way, underhand this way, right? So you're still going in the same kind of movement, you just have to switch, whether it's left to right or right to left in your brain. All right, once you've gotten used to taking those steps or those switches just by rotating on the front swing or on the back swing, you can then progress to incorporating a hop. And it's basically the same thing. So on the back, I hop to my right on the backswing. If on the front swing, all right? And what you'll find is with the dragon hop, if you just turn like this, you don't get that counter rotation because it is easier to do when you're learning, yes, but your goal should be you want to have that twist where right shoulder comes over left foot. So instead of a hop like this, what I encourage you to do is kind of twist your body like this and do the dragon roll. So right now I'm going this way, from left to right. And when I turn, I'm switching my leg the opposite way instead. And that creates more of that twist in your body. and trains your core muscles a bit more. Here's what it looks like from the side. So instead of moving like this and hopping, you want to twist your body so you have that natural like running movement. And I'm gonna go, right now I'm facing my left side, doing right to left swings. It does take some getting used to and some balance when you switch your legs, but that will really give you good workout.